Here I am, Riverside Park. Well, I don't know if it's actually called Riverside Park, but it is near a river in Ottawa. And you can see the birds, and if you look closely at the rocks on the river, you can see the Canada geese and the ducks and a giant heron or something all sitting out there on the water. So that'll be the cropped image I'm going to use. That's quite neat. Let's walk along here because I thought I saw a path and a some kind of plaque. Ooh, that's a neat one too. The willow glowing out of the river. There you go. There's a different view of the river and the creatures in it. Here you go, Rideau River. So, related somehow to the Rideau Canal, okay. That's neat. Info sign. Oh, wait, here we go. Huh. Oh, he's still on the rock. Oh, look, there's the geese swimming. I know, it's hard to see the screen today. But there are the geese trying to swim against the current, but it's sweeping them towards the center of the river, isn't it? Oh, and look, the baby geese are coming out from the tree under which they were feeding, so I guess this will double as a kind of park preview / wildlife video. Let's see if I can zoom in a bit and get them a bit better. We might be able to get all the geese going from one side of the river to the other. Well, they're trying to fight against the current, but they're only getting partly through. Oh, that's so neat. Look at them all. And the ducks as well. Yeah, those are all the baby geese. The adult geese are over there on the rocks, sunning themselves and keeping watch. Oh, and look, there's little baby geese over there just coming in. Or ducks. They don't have any goose-type feathers yet. That's so neat. Let's see how close I can get here. 1 second. Let's get above them. There you go, see? The geese and the ducks seem to be getting along just fine. Look at that. Wow. Now, try to sit here and not drop anything. Look at the geese over there. They don't have any geese coloring yet. Unless those are ducks. It's hard to tell, but the mother... Oh, look at them. Wow. The ducks right in the middle there. That's really neat. And they're coming right up. Bottom of the rocks. And that heron is there on the big rock at the center, keeping watch. Yeah, because probably the Barhaven Mall and the stores there don't open until 11, so it makes sense to be here watching all this until then. Alright, so that's enough of that, and I'll move on.